Dancehall artist Capleton lifestyle, reggae career and net worth. Welcome back, music lovers. Before we dive into the fire, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support us on our journey to 2,000 subscribers. Get ready to discover the fiery journey of Clifton George Bailey III, better known as Capleton. Born on April 13, 1967, in the vibrant town of Islington, St. Mary, Jamaica, this reggae and dancehall legend has earned a slew of powerful titles: King Shango, King David, the Fireman, and the Prophet. Through his record label, David House Productions, Capleton spreads his Rastafari beliefs with every beat and lyric. From a young age, he was affectionately nicknamed E. Capleton, after a prominent St. Mary lawyer and family friend. However, as he grew into his musical identity, he embraced the name King Shango, a nod to the Yoruba language and its deep cultural significance. Capleton's passion for music couldn't be contained. As a teenager, he would sneak out to catch local dancehall acts, fueling his dream of becoming a DJ. At 18, he left St. Mary behind and headed to Kingston, the heartbeat of Jamaica's music scene, to chase his destiny. Stay tuned to learn more about how Capleton's blazing talent set the dancehall world on fire. Let's now look at Capleton's singing career. In 1989, he got his first big international exposure. Stewart Brown, owner of a Toronto-based sound called African Star, gave the untested artist his first break, flying him to Canada for a stage show alongside Ninjaman and Flourgon. When Capleton first arrived on the scene in the late 1980s, slackness and gun talk were the dominant lyrics in the dancehalls. The pre-Rasta Capleton had a string of hit songs from Bumbo Red to #1 on the Look Good chart and Lotion Man. He recorded the song that began to establish his significant place in dancehall, Alms House in 1992. The tune became a big hit in the dancehall, followed up immediately by Music is a Mission and the massive hit Tourge. By 1993, he was voicing tunes which became increasingly conscious, such as Prophet and Cold-Blooded Murderage. Tunes such as Tourge and Wings of the Morning earned him a deal with Russell Simmons' Def Jam Recordings, which culminated in the Prophecy and Testament albums of the mid-1990s. Grammy Nominated in 2003 album, Still Blazin' VP Records executive produced by Errol's GenErral Adam/Joel Chin. In 1999, Capleton headlined Reggae Sumfest's Dancehall Night, to much fanfare. The performance, which led to a subsequent headliner placement the following year, is credited with rebusing or creating a comeback for his career. The 1999 to 2000 period elicited a string of hits, many of which can be found on the album More Fire. Grammy nominated in 2003 album, Still Blazin' VP Records executive produced by Errol's GenErral Adam/Joel Chin. By 2004, some argued the quality of Capleton's music had been downgraded by overproliferation on numerous rhythms, while Capleton himself argued his continued recording over both dancehall and roots reggae rhythms created balance in his musical output. Nonetheless, he scored hit singles over one of the most popular rhythms of 2004, That Day Will Come over the Hard Times rhythm. After a hiatus from the label, Capleton returned to VP Records in 2010 with the release of Eternal Fire. After headlining a U.S. tour which included Romain Virgo, Munga Honorable, and Culture Knox in the fall of 2010, Capleton embarked upon a tour of the African continent for late 2010 and early 2011. Stops included Gambia, Senegal, South Africa, and multiple dates in Zimbabwe. In December 2012, the Music Unite Cape Town International Reggae Festival saw Capleton, reggae and dancehall artists like Black Dillinger, Black Kalamawi. Capleton's annual A St. Mary, Michigan Come From Live show has raised funds for several charities since it was first staged in 2000, including local schools and hospitals. Personal life. Capleton is married to Asha. He has 2 daughters called Dominique and Eden and 1 son called Ja King. The wife is expectant to the baby number 4. He has a net worth of approximately $2 million. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe to this channel for more exciting news on Jamaican celebrities.